Today I'm making homemade laundry soap. I already grated about 1.5 bars of Zote soap, and then I'll be doing a whole box of the Arm & Hammer baking soda. I'm going to add that in. A little powdery. And then a 3-pound box of borax laundry booster that was leaking out the bottom. A 3-pound box of Arm & Hammer super washing soda. And a 3-pound tub of OxyClean. And this is Odor Blaster. Dump that in. And then I'm going to do a thing of these Downy Infusion. It's just scent boosters basically. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing. Or might have been too much, but. And then I need to grab a spoon. I'll be right back. Alright, after you get all your ingredients in here, you just mix it all up. And you want to make sure you get to the bottom and mix up all the Zote and the washing soda, borax, all of it. Just get it really good mixed up, and I have it in a 20-quart container. And from what I've been reading, this should last anywhere from 6 to 8 months or longer, depending on how much laundry you do in a week. So anyways, just get all that mixed up really good and put a lid on it, and it should last for quite a while. So there you go, homemade laundry detergent. I thought I'd show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. This is the finished product. Once you get it all mixed up, it smells really amazing. And what I've been told, you use the scoop and do maybe about half a scoop or so per load. Use a little bit more if you have like really soiled stuff, but half or maybe